Today, I'm going to show you this beautiful remodeled 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on over 2 acres of land. Now, if you're dreaming of living in an area that feels like the country, but is so close to town, this is the one for you. This home is beautiful, and so is the area. If you are looking for something quiet, you want a little land, this house has over 2 acres. It's been completely remodeled from top to bottom. The landscaping is gorgeous. There's a fenced yard. Really has so much to offer. At 3,052 square foot, it is 4 bedrooms, plus an office, formal dining room, and gorgeous modern finishes. So let's step inside. I'm going to give you a tour. So this would be our dining room. Gorgeous views out there. All dual pane windows throughout. We have really nice high vaulted ceilings, and just look at this kitchen. Now, this house was remodeled by the current owner and has not been lived in. You can tell because look, the appliances still have the packaging. So monogram, 8 burner, double oven, gorgeous black counters here on the island. Nice. Stainless steel appliances, of course, a black sink undermount. We have our microwave in the wall here, and this functions as your in-kitchen pantry. I mean, there's still a nice laundry room and some other storage, but we'll start by taking in that kitchen. You have a great little breakfast nook, and there's a triple slider here. So there's one panel here that's closed, and then it would open 2 more panels. So you'd have another divider here, but you have this beautiful covered deck, composite decking. There's a nice shed over there. This deck kind of wraps around the breakfast nook. And that door is to the primary suite. We're not going to go that way yet. We'll go back through the house. We have a little putting green, a little fenced area here, and there's another fenced area on the other side. So this property is on a community well, and they do have some holding tanks. So you have a little bit of assurance of additional water supply, and it appears that there's a rainwater capture, which is also really fun. But let me just take in for one more second, because we came in through the front door, but I don't know that we really saw that view. Let's just grab that real quick, because it is just so pretty. The air here just feels great. And I just want to show you kind of what you see when you walk out the front door. We've done a nice job cleaning up the landscaping here. So let's go back, and on the other side of the house, there's 2 bedrooms. On this side, we have the primary suite, and this would make a great office. Huge office. Little nook there. Nice wide part of the driveway here, or the driveway, the hallway, and here is your primary suite. And they have done this. Look at the wide baseboards. We have the same plank flooring throughout. That goes out to the patio that we were just on. And this bathroom, oh, it's beautiful. Total spa experience. They have this large format tile. Probably 18 by 36 or something. Nice shower, dual shower heads. Slot drain down there. And we have dual vanities here. So most likely this would be hers, because there's a little spot to sit. And then you have your sink. Lighting on either side. And on this side, there's a second vanity. A little smaller. You have a separate room for your toilet. And walk-in closet. Nice and long. All these shelving here, these wardrobes. here as well. So lots of storage in the closet. You can get a close-up of this tile on the floor too. Lighting's not the best, but you can see it's kind of this marble look tile. It's kind of a little bit of a grayish, as is the walls, very neutral. So let's continue on this side of the home. You have another bedroom here. Now they've put in all the rooms lights on either side of where you could put your bed. And then the closets, they don't have doors on them, but we could probably get those configured with either a curtain or some other form of door. Just depends on kind of what you are looking for. They've left that open. Really pretty lights in the hallway. Let's go through to the garage since that door is open. So this is a 3-car garage, but what you actually have is a 2-car here, 2-car garage with new epoxy flooring, and then a single-car garage here, which is great if you wanted to turn one bay into a workshop or toy storage, and this for your regular cars. And there is also some form of power inverter over there, so I would anticipate that would be great for EVs. We would check all the specs on that to make sure it works. You have a linen closet here by the garage, which is super convenient, and a nice big laundry room. So look at this. You have your sink, beautiful LG washer dryer, nice big counter space and more storage over here. And for the little fur babies, we have a dog wash station. And this is going to be your ironing board. I love those little old touches that were original to the home that they leave. Even though they've remodeled so much of it, those little touches. Oh, and this, how can we forget the powder room? Really pretty vanity. And toilet, they've tiled that back wall. Same tile on that floor that we saw in the primary suite bathroom as well. And then here, you have another coat closet. So great storage there. Again, I love the front door, nice and wide with the dual lights on either side. We didn't really look at the living room. So you have a gas fireplace with black marble, and look at how nice. When they cut this marble, they were careful to try to match the grain pattern as much as possible through, I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of tile that they had to line up. Here and here, they matched the grain pattern, did a really nice job. And then you have the white oak mantle. So I don't have a TV stage in here, but you have your electrical and your cable there. So that would be a great place. You could put a nice large format TV there. And on this side of the home, we have 2 additional bedrooms and the guest bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Beautiful. A shower. Look at this tile. It was so cool. It has a little bit of a texture, so this part's a little recessed, and this comes up and it's recessed and up and recessed. It's really pretty. A little nook. Again, slot drain over there in the corner. They used a black tile in this bathroom. Here's another bedroom. Nice high vaulted ceilings. Again, the double lights on either side of where the bed would go, and you have plugs on the bottom too, which was nice. Your closet with built-ins but no doors. That's consistent throughout the house. And here is another bedroom. In this one, the closet's a little bigger, which is nice, but also the view is so pretty over here. Look at this. Get you up here. Really great view. And this is that second fenced area over there. Look at the mountain over this way too. Oh no, you just see the camera. That didn't work. So there we go. Now this again is a remodel. This is not a new build. Let's get some information for you. about this home. Okay, so some unique features about this home. One, the owner will consider a carry. Now, if you've never heard of an owner carry before, that is where the owner actually becomes your bank, which is fantastic. And if you're interested in an option like that, let me know, shoot me a message, and I will get the terms from the owner of what they would be willing to do for this property. Now, typically the interest rate, the down payment is dependent on how strong the offer is. So this home is currently listed for $1,385,000. It is 3,052 square foot. We saw it was 4 full bedrooms plus an office, formal dining room, eat-in kitchen, 3-car garage, and 2.5 bathrooms, all of which have been fully remodeled. Now, this is in the Granite Oaks subdivision here in North Prescott, and I actually just met a neighbor who stopped by at my open house a little while ago to ask him about, a lot of people when they're moving to this area, they're very concerned about the water supply. Now, you definitely have to do your due diligence, but the neighbor did tell me in this community that the water has been great. There are some other areas nearby that have had trouble, but neighbor reported no issues here. We did see that this home has rainwater capture, and it does have several storage tanks, which does give you a backup as well, which is a great option when you're here up in Prescott using a well. The taxes for this home last year were just over $4,600. So if you're not from Arizona, that number is going to seem really low for such a big, beautiful home. But that is one of the benefits here in Arizona, is that our property taxes are much lower than they are in many other areas of the country. So this home does have propane, and the propane would be prorated at the close of escrow. So located in a fantastic area of Prescott, this home is nestled on over 2 acres. It offers comfort, style, serenity, wildly updated, and designed to fit any lifestyle. The open floor plan has gorgeous vaulted ceilings, a stunning chef's kitchen, beautiful black marble fireplace, and a formal dining room as well as a breakfast nook. I love the oversized laundry room with the pet wash station, and the fact that that garage has this beautiful new epoxy flooring. It really takes everything on this house and makes it feel new. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Drop me a note. Let me know about what you think about this home compared to some of the others that you've seen on the channel. And of course, if you're interested in buying, selling, or just getting to know Prescott, drop me a note. I do have a newsletter I can send you with regular information about what it's like living here in beautiful Prescott, Arizona. So thank you so much for watching. I am Odessa KEILMAN with the Prescott Homeowner. Have a great day.